What's up everybody? Today I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, and we're at a pretty cool spot. We're at a floating market and we got a private boat, so I can't wait to show you guys the whole area around here. The floating market is about a 90-minute drive from Bangkok, and I was able to arrange a driver through my hotel. I recommend doing the same to avoid taxi scams. We just got dropped off at a parking lot. I looked online and it wasn't near where the floating market was supposed to be at. We were worried we were going to get scammed, but we're going to trust the system. We booked a private motorized boat for 2,000 baht, which is about $60. So we just made our first stop. I thought it's a souvenir shop, so we're trying to tell the driver we didn't want to go there, but he actually paid for the boat at this first stop here. So he's paid 2,000 baht plus 100 baht for the service charge to use a credit card. So it's pretty nice that we got to use a credit card instead of cash for this first spot. It's been about 15 minutes and we haven't made it to food area. There's a lot of souvenir shops. I don't know why they have so many shops selling the same thing on the same route. But hopefully we can see some food soon. It's currently 9 a.m. right now on a weekday, and so far we haven't seen one single tourist, so we don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, like we're at the wrong place. But I checked on the maps, we're going to the right area right now. Surprisingly, this is actually a two-way lane. I thought it'd be one way, so it's gonna get really busy once there's more boats driving by. We just saw our first tourist group. They were actually on a paddle boat, so I'm guessing they left earlier than us, but we eventually passed them since we're on a motorized boat. The first vendor we've seen, look at that first vendor. So it's all souvenir shops now. Look, souvenir shop, souvenir shop, souvenir shop, souvenir shop. Wow. So far the experience has been kind of underwhelming. I knew it would be a tourist trap, but I still thought there'd be way more food boats, even if it was just overpriced food. Tolai? Tolai?
Can we do two only?
Do you speak English? How much?
150. 150.
Can we do half? Half.
Own for own.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kopuka. Alright, so we bought the bag of mangosteens here. I've never actually had one of these, so I have no idea what to expect, but they look pretty good. I don't even know how to open this, so I'm just gonna take the stem off. I'm gonna break it open. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Probably the first piece. Oh, very sweet, but not too sweet actually. I just say it's very tasty. It's good, but there's definitely there's still seeds in here, so you gotta be careful when you eat it. Definitely gotta get one in Thailand. So I guess we just wrapped up the floating market. We're heading back. It was very underwhelming. There's like the amount of souvenir shops to food was maybe like 10 to 1. So unfortunately a little bit underwhelming. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on to your stuff. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to see future travel videos.